we're here with fast rising star Zelavi. First of all, Zelavi, Wagwan.
I'm here.
Welcome to Intense.
Thanks for having me.
Talk to me a little bit about your sound, your style.
It's a little bit more along the sensual side of things.
It's somewhat like a female Dexter Dubs.
Something like that. Yeah. If we're going both locally and internationally, Spice is definitely one of my main inspirations locally. I rate her hustle, just everything as a woman in the industry. Considering that it's a male-dominated space, I really appreciate everything that she has done for the culture and for the space. And of course, Rihanna, Rihanna G. So it's just her sound and everything, and just what she goes by, her authenticity. Love it.
Nice. Talk to me about your single, your current single.
The one I'm promoting right now is called Dandada. It's also featuring Javelani. Big up yourself, Javelani, over here there. But yeah, that's kind of what we're promoting right now.
What is it about, Dandada?
So it's really just promoting all the girls that have a good man in them life, that can also, treat them good in the bed as well, But that's kind of
direction we should have known. We should have stopped this one.
But that's pretty much what it is. Just basically I big up the man them that treat the girls them good. And
what was it like working with Javelani on that project?
He's a cool guy, very reserved, and he's very supportive on the project as well.
So was it your single and he's featured on it, or vice versa?
Yeah. My single, he's featured.
What made you decide that, this is the person that was right for that single?
I guess because of the sound and his roughness in the cultural space. I think that it was a good match with my sensual sound coming from an R&B side. So I think that was a good match. Thanks to Andrew Blacks.
Andrew Blacks is a renowned producer. He's been at it for a while. He's very successful. What's it been like working with him?
It's been great. I met Andrew in 2019, and that's where I've been since then. He's very modest, very humble.
The product a cook up for a while then.
It's been a while, but it's really good working with him. He's a really good mentor.
What's something that you've learned being around him, because he's kind of done a lot of it already,
He's very fair. He doesn't shy away from giving you feedback. And if you want just insight on how you're doing and where you should go, he's not afraid to just give you that type of mentorship. So I can definitely appreciate that being.
You have one collaboration out now that I know about. Is there anybody else that you're looking forward to or hoping to work with?
Oh yes, a lot more.
Yeah.
Tommy Lee for sure.
Oh, Tommy Lee.
Yeah.
Why Tommy Lee?
His sound.
You say your sound is like R&B dancehall. He is like dancehall goth. like darkness.
That is true. But I love his sound is very unique.
It's extremely unique.
And I remember when he just came out with that sound, everybody was like, "Yo, what is?"
I feel like his sound defined a generation.
All right, there you go. So I think his raspiness, his gothicness, as you said, and my soft, elegant, kind of
nice
seductive.
contrast.
Yeah.
I
think that would sell it. Yeah.
Who else?
Okay, Jada definitely.
Jada.
Yeah.
What is it about Jada that resonates with you?
She mad, And I mean that with the utmost respect. I love the fact that she is true to who she is, and I'm all about that. She is one from a female standpoint. Definitely Spice. We can't leave out my top inspiration.
Yeah.
Tommy Lee, like I mentioned. Of course, Vybz Kartel. Like, that goes without saying. We never even think we need to mention that, right?
That one kind of just got, it's automatic.
Yeah, it's automatic. But there are lots of persons that I want to collaborate.
What's the goal right now? Are you working on putting together a body of work, or is it just releasing singles, or just testing the public, or what is it?
For right now, I just want to put out some more singles, build up my fan base a little bit, so get my name out there, let the person see the face, get more appearances out, just build up the fan base like I mentioned.
Yeah, just
and then
the work.
Right,
Build
and
the
then
demand.
once I have that platform, then I can put out my EPs and album. Because for me, it don't really make no sense to put out an EP if there's really nobody listening to your songs. So that's kind of what I want to do. Is put out some more singles.
You have the current single out, Dandada. Are you following it up with another single soon, or are you just focusing on that for now?
No, I've been promoting it since January. I have another one working on right now. It's just me though, no collabs. It's called What You Wanna Do. It's more along the Afro-ish vibe. It's really different, really, really different sound, different everything. So I really hope that it
Yeah,
resonates.
experimenting with
Yeah,
with the
you know,
direction a
I
little
think I
bit.
can dabble in some other
Why not?
genres. Yeah,
And
spread my voice a little bit more.
Afrobeats is one of the genres that yeah.
I like it. It has a little upbeat, but it has a little sexy thing going on for it as well, and it still has a little splash of dancehall. So yeah.
You're right about that. But yeah, so are there any Afrobeat artists that you're into?
I love Thames.
Boss.
Love Thames. I love Davido.
Nice.
And Era Star.
What do you think it would take for dancehall to kind of get back to or get on that world stage like where Africa at one time Afrobeats and dancehall was like neck and neck, and then all of a sudden Afrobeats just become like world music. What do you think we need to do like in terms of with reggae and dancehall to kind of get it to that place?
I think more unity is what I would say, because Afro artists they're together. You don't really see anybody kind of clashing or anything like that. And while you might think that that is okay, that's dancehall culture, we thrive off clashing. Sometimes we just need to come together.
Time and place.
Yeah, just come together and make a build this up back.
And also Afrobeats is so happy. I feel like dancehall need to get back a little bit. We need to get back a little bit more happier. A happy place there.
I agree.
But yeah, speaking of happy place, well, what do you do for fun?
I love being in the studio. So even if I don't have anything doing, sometimes I just want to come studio and just hold the vibes.
Soak it all up. That I go on. So what's next for you?
Just more songs, more appearances. Just putting myself out there, getting back into that space. It's a work in progress, but I'm working on it. But that's it.
Zella V, tell the people what most makes Zella V intense.
I am unapologetically me. Like, I just do what I want, I say what I want. I'm just true to who I am, and I have a passion for authenticity and being bold and just being you.
That I go on. Zella V doing things her own way. Look out.